Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready, power the laptop and sign in. Once logged in, make sure it's plugged in if battery is low. That avoids interruptions. Open the system interface now. On Windows use settings, on macOS open system preferences, and on Linux launch settings or terminal. If you prefer shortcuts, press Windows plus R for a quick run box. On Mac, click the Apple menu. These first steps put you where System Details live, so you can quickly identify the operating system. Now find the exact OS information. On Windows, open Settings right arrow System right arrow About or type WinVer in the Run box to see Edition and Build. On Mac OS, click the Apple menu and choose about this Mac to read the version and model info. For Linux, check Settings right arrow About or Open Terminal and run Unaim for kernel details. LSB release gives distro and release. Make sure to note both the name and version, because software compatibility depends on both pieces of information. Finish by confirming and saving the OS specifics: name, version, build number, and whether it's 64-bit or 32-bit. Once done, take a screenshot or write them down for later use. If system panels don't show info, open terminal or command prompt and run commands like unaim, LSB release, or WinVer to force details. If commands fail or pages won't load, restart the laptop and try safe mode. Make sure hardware drivers aren't blocking system utilities. That fixes most information access problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.